Wash, she is washing her hand. Peel, he is peeling banana. Pull, he is pulling. Throw, he is throwing the ball. Work, he is working. Pray, they are praying. Teach, she is teaching. Swim, he is swimming. Paint, he is painting. Sweep, he is sweeping. Climb, he is climbing the wall. Travel, they are traveling in car. Drink, they are drinking water. Sing, he is singing. Eat, he is eating sandwich. Cook, she is cooking. நான் சாப்பிடுகிறேன். I eat. Steal, திருடு. Remind, நினைவூட்டு. Escape, தப்பித்தல். Reply, பதிலளி. Follow, பின்பற்று. Save, சேமிக்கவும். Decide, முடிவு செய். Pay, செலுத்து. அவன் வருகிறான். He comes.